too.
This is Robert. This is Robert's Trek 29 print of the Sunbeam. Here we are at Belmont Shores, and this is our inaugural run of the Sunbeam. And Robert's working on some other cars to go correct with the Sunbeam, but this runs like Kato butter. And it's his shell and tender in a C-57 Japanese locomotive. Yeah, this does look almost like Texas here. All right, next up, GS3.
Yep.